Hello and welcome to HVAC Official Channel, your destination to learn complete HVAC systems in simple language. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important and core part of HVAC systems, the Air Handling Unit, or AHU. Whether you're a beginner, a technician, or an HVAC student, this video will help you understand what AHUs are, how they work, their components, types, and installation. So watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Chapter 1. What is an AHU? AHU stands for Air Handling Unit. It is a large metal box that helps in circulating and conditioning air as part of an HVAC system. AHUs are used in commercial buildings, hospitals, malls, airports, and even some large homes. Their primary job is to take in outside air, filter it, cool or heat it, and send it through ducts into different spaces. Think of AHU as the lungs of a building. It pulls in fresh air, processes it, and distributes it efficiently. Chapter 2. Main components of AHU. Filter section. Removes dust, pollen, and other particles. Common filter types. Pre-filters, fine filters, HEPA filters. Cooling coil, heating coil. AHU may have chilled water coils connected to chillers or DX coils, direct expansion. Helps in reducing or increasing air temperature. Blower or fan. A centrifugal fan or plug fan pulls air through the unit and pushes it into the duct system. Mixing box mixes return air with fresh outdoor air. Helps in energy savings and temperature balance. Humidifier or dehumidifier controls humidity in the air. Important for hospitals, labs, etc. Drain pan and pipes collects and drains condensed water from cooling coils. Control panel contains electrical switches, sensors, and control system. Chapter 3. Working of an AHU. AHU work in a step-by-step process. Outdoor air and return air enter the AHU. Air passes through filters. Then it passes over cooling or heating coils. If needed, humidity is adjusted. The fan pushes the processed air into the duct system. Air is delivered to different rooms. Many modern AHU have sensors and automation systems for better efficiency. Chapter 4. Types of air handling units. Draw-through AHU. Blower is placed after the cooling coil. Pulls air through components. Common in most commercial spaces. Blow-through AHU. Fan is located before the coil. Pushes air through the system. Rooftop units. RTU. Packaged AHU used on rooftops. Often used in supermarkets and warehouses. Modular AHU can be custom-built based on project requirements. Installed in hospitals, pharma labs, etc. Fresh air handling unit. FAHU. Specifically processes 100% fresh air. Used in clean rooms or critical environments. Chapter 5. AHU installation. Step by step. Site preparation. Space and base must be ready. Drainage points, duct, and chilled water pipe locations should be marked. Positioning the unit. AHU parts are often modular. Must be installed with correct airflow direction. Connecting ducts and pipes. Ducts for supply and return air, chilled water inlets and outlets, condensate drain connections, electrical and control connections, wiring the control panel connecting sensors and actuators, testing and commissioning, check for leaks, vibration and airflow, run performance checks. Chapter 6. Maintenance tips. Regular maintenance keeps AHU efficient and extends its life. Key tips include: clean or replace filters regularly. Inspect coils and clean them. Lubricate fan bearings if required. Check motor belts for wear. Monitor vibration and noise. Test all sensors and controls. Clean drain pans to prevent mold. Final tips and recap. So that's a complete guide on air handling units, from components to working, types, installation, and maintenance. AHU are essential for building comfort, indoor air quality, and energy efficiency. Whether you're working in the field or just starting your learning journey, understanding AHU is a major step toward becoming an HVAC pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to